Speaking of disturbing, the Department of Justice, a federal judge has thrown out the criminal case against FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. President Trump's hand-picked prosecutor, Lindsay Halligan, was illegally appointed to the role that she single-handedly secured the indictment. Now, this quote I found so damning right here. Ms. Halligan has been unlawfully serving in that role since September 2025. So, did no one in the DOJ think about this? This is amateur hour stuff. It feels like a simple Google search could have answered this question. Now, Matt, you've been talking about this on your live stream quite a bit. Is Bondi given a masterclass on incompetence?
No, Matt, you missed it. You missed it. This was brilliant. What happened was the White House looked into the future and they realized that Lindsay Halligan is so damn incompetent that she was going to mess up basic procedure, basic lawyer 101 procedure in the grand jury indictments, which she did. And so looking into the future, they said, you know what we've got to do? We've got to make sure that her appointment is illegal. Because what this ruling does is it saves them from even greater embarrassment of having the charges dismissed because she is worse at being a lawyer than ChatGPT. You could get an AI to bring this indictment and follow correct procedure and not get it thrown out, but you can't with her. Yes, this is really, you know what's actually worse? You know what's actually worse is that Pam Bondi's DOJ in the whole Texas redistricting wrote a letter demanding the redistricting, this whole gerrymandering gambit that Trump demanded. And they did it so stupidly, so idiotically on a legal basis that the Trump appointed judge in the case used the DOJ's own letter as the basis for throwing out the redistricting plan, the Republican redistricting plan. Is this a great example of Trump's team shooting themselves in the foot or the greatest example?
I mean, or it could just be 4D chess because I keep hearing this a lot. He's playing 4D chess and he's just so good at this. And let's face it, I'm not good at 4D chess. Maybe he is. Maybe he's just that brilliant that it's all happening. But this also comes after the Epstein debacle. It comes after just time and time again where the Department of Justice doesn't seem to function. I think that's the sad state of affairs because justice is not working for the American people.